Stop scrolling. If you're looking for a car that turns heads, saves you money, and is built for both American streets and busy Asian traffic, you need to see the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air. This isn't just a classic name reborn, it's a smart, modern machine that balances style, comfort, and efficiency in a way most cars today can't touch. And today, I'm going to show you everything about this car, how it drives, how much it costs, and why it could be the perfect choice for you in the USA, Japan, or anywhere in ASEAN. Let's start with the price. In the United States, the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air starts around $42,000. For buyers in Japan, with taxes and import costs, it comes close to $48,000, and in ASEAN countries like Thailand, Indonesia, or Malaysia, you can expect prices around $50,000 depending on local tariffs. Yes, it's a serious investment, but for what you get, it's hard to beat. Under the hood, this car comes with a 3.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering around 310 horsepower. It's not just power for the sake of it. The engine is tuned for smooth city driving and effortless highway cruising. In simple terms, that means when you're stuck in traffic in Jakarta or cruising the freeway in Los Angeles, the Bel Air responds smoothly without guzzling gas. Speaking of fuel, expect around 28 miles per gallon in city traffic and up to 34 on the highway, which is excellent for a car of this size. If you compare this to hybrids or EVs, yes, they might save more on fuel, but the Bel Air keeps maintenance costs low and doesn't worry about charging stations, a huge bonus for busy Asian cities where EV infrastructure is still catching up. Now, let's talk about ownership costs. One of the best things about this car is its low maintenance. Chevrolet has a solid parts network worldwide, so whether you're in Los Angeles or Manila, finding replacement parts or servicing your car won't be a hassle. Regular maintenance is straightforward, and because the engine is reliable and built for longevity, you won't be facing unexpected repair bills every few months. Insurance is reasonable for a mid-range sedan like this, especially when compared to luxury brands or high-performance EVs. Plus, resale value is strong. Chevrolet classics hold value surprisingly well, and with the Bel Air's iconic design, you're buying a car that people want, even years down the line. Driving this car is where it really shines. In the city, it's agile enough to maneuver through tight streets, handle sudden stops, and give you a smooth ride over potholes or uneven roads. On the highway, it's stable and quiet, almost like driving a premium sedan but without the premium price. Compared to competitors like the Tesla Model 3 or the Toyota Hilux, the Bel Air is more approachable for everyday drivers. It may not be fully electric like a Tesla, but it doesn't rely on charging infrastructure, and it's more comfortable than a Hilux for city use while still capable on highways. One of the smartest features for Asian roads is the Bel Air's size and visibility. Many cars today are either too big or too small for the traffic realities of cities like Bangkok, Manila, or Ho Chi Minh City. The Bel Air hits a sweet spot, spacious enough for family trips but compact enough to squeeze into city traffic or tight parking spaces. Plus, it comes with advanced driver assistance features, lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking, which makes navigating traffic a lot less stressful. The interior is surprisingly luxurious for its price. Soft touch materials, an intuitive infotainment system, and plenty of space for passengers make it feel much more expensive than it is. For overseas buyers, especially from Japan or ASEAN, the comfort level is a big selling point. Long drives won't feel cramped, and the ergonomics are simple, nothing overly complicated, which is perfect if you're switching from a more compact city car. Let's briefly talk numbers on savings. Compared to an EV, you'll spend a bit more on gas, yes, but you save on the initial purchase price, and you don't have to worry about charging. Compared to a Hilux, which is great for heavy-duty work but not always comfortable in traffic, the Bel Air gives you a smoother, more efficient daily ride. You're getting the best balance of performance, comfort, and cost-effectiveness. Now, imagine using this car in real-life traffic. Morning commute, school runs, weekend trips, the Bel Air adapts. Its suspension absorbs bumps without feeling floaty, the brakes are responsive, and the steering feels precise. And here's a little secret. The classic design isn't just for looks. The aerodynamics are subtly modernized, which helps fuel efficiency and keeps the car stable at higher speeds. You get style and performance without compromise. So, why is this car a smart choice for Asian markets specifically? First, it's reliable. Parts and service are easy to find. Second, it's efficient enough to save money on fuel without the stress of EV infrastructure. Third, it's built to handle both city streets and highways. And finally, the resale value is solid. People love classic-inspired designs with modern tech. It's a car that makes sense for families, professionals, and anyone who wants style without sacrificing practicality. In short, the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air brings together the best of many worlds: classic American design, modern technology, low ownership costs, and adaptability for both city and highway driving. It's efficient, reliable, and surprisingly affordable when you look at the long-term costs. Whether you're in the USA, Japan, or ASEAN, this car delivers value, comfort, and peace of mind, making it one of the smartest choices in its class. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more high-quality, honest car insights, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on updates about the latest releases, hidden features, and smart buying tips. And remember, the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air isn't just a car, it's a statement on the road.